Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. I hope all of you will be fine. Today I will tell you how to download WhatsApp status pics and videos into your Android mobile. So without using any app. First of all, you have to go to file manager in your mobile. You might have file manager located under different folder according to your mobile version. So go to file manager. I am not using memory card, so go to phone storage. Under phone storage, you scroll down and you will see WhatsApp option here, and you have to do is you have to click these three dots, menu dots at the bottom of your mobile. These might be located at different position according to your mobile. These might be located here or here. So click this and you have to select this show hidden files. Click show hidden files. Go to WhatsApp and you have to go to media option under WhatsApp. Go to media and here you can see hidden folder with name of statuses. So I will click it and here you can see different files. These are images and you can see videos files here. One thing you must note it, you must have viewed status of your friends or family. You want to download, you must have viewed it at your WhatsApp. So let's suppose I play it. You can see here that it has been playing. I can even copy this. So let me stop it. Click it. Sorry, again it was played. So let me copy it. I will select it and I will copy it. Go back and paste here. You can paste anywhere you want. I will paste it here and at bottom you can see that my video is being playing successfully. So you can even download any image as well. For example, let me I want to download this image with name of 4e. I will select it. I will copy it with this option, copy, and I will again go back and I will paste it, and you can see that my image has been shown in front of me. So in this way you can download your friends and families WhatsApp statuses, videos and pics. Let me repeat option. First of all, go to WhatsApp under your file manager option, and under WhatsApp you have to click this show hidden files. When you will click show hidden files, then you have to go to media, and under media you will see hidden file of statuses. Click it and here you can see all the images and videos of your friends and families or other contacts you might have saved in your cell that whose statuses are on WhatsApp. So I hope you liked my video. Do subscribe my channel for future updates. Thank you very much.